Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out and test driving a 1965 Mustang Coupe. Dual exhaust sounds really good. This is just a really nice entry-level classic for somebody.
It is. I'm impressed with it. I was just telling you a little bit earlier, you know, we put the BFG raised white letter tires. We went ahead and put the hubcaps on it. This brand new steel wheel. Stainless, or what do they call it? Style steel wheel?
Steel,
yeah, sorry about that. Just detailed the interior. It's a good looking car.
It is.
A nice little 289 in it, brand new battery, new master cylinder. Runs like a top.
It really does. No power steering, but for a little coupe like this, you really don't need it.
No, I don't think so either. Bottom side of the hood looks good. You know, just like you said, entry-level classic, something you can jump in, drive, and enjoy. And with that being said, I mean, it's got some chips and stuff like that. We're not going to be able to point them all out. Just a driver quality car.
Yep. Front bumpers, probably original. You got some little scuffs and some little micro pitting there, but overall, in good driver quality shape. Grill, horse and corral, that all looks good.
And if you look at the car as a whole, 96,000 miles on the odometer, and if you look at the way the doors and the fenders and the quarters all line up, it's a good car.
Mm-hmm. It is. Hood lines up good as well from front to back and sits down nicely against the cowl on the back. Front windshield looks good. A couple of scratches there.
It's got about like 10 little tiny chips. You can see bare metal right under those chips, so it's not like they painted over a bunch of crap.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Even down here in the rocker, it's got a chip. It's just one paint. They stripped this whole car to bare metal.
A couple little paint cracks there.
Same thing right here, guys. A couple chips to bare metal. You can see a little bit of surface rust there. Over the wheel well. Same here, a little bit of rust right behind that rear wheel. Interior looks great. Clean that up nice. The door jamb paint looks nice. Headliner is excellent. Steering column paint and dash pad is nice. Kind of almost looks like original carpet though. At least if it's not original, it was redone many years ago.
Mm-hmm. I can't say I've seen too many white on white Mustangs.
I like it.
I do too. I like the white interior.
Bottom of the trunk lid. Jack instructions still there. Rubbers. Hey, that's the original trunk rubber. Come here.
Really?
Feel that. It looks good. Yeah. It's just hard.
Yeah.
Got a nice trunk mat in it. Spare, jack, all that stuff's in there. And a couple little paint chips along that edge. Back in here is all nice. Back bumper looks nice and clean. Dual exhaust has been added. Tail light lenses and chrome's nice. As we look up and down the driver's side, same thing. The body line lines up nice to the quarter to the door. Bottom of the door lines up excellent. You're gonna have, like I said, some little chips and stuff. There is some cracking in the paint way down in here, way down low. Back of the hood lines up nice here. Windshield's in great shape. Doors open and close with ease. It's your factory colors. This was originally a maroon car, vintage Burgundy X color, nice, with the white interior. And like you said, you can tell they stripped it all to bare metal. Every chip is bare metal.
Yeah.
You know, you don't see any vintage Burgundy anywhere. So when it was restored years and years ago, they did a nice job. Very well original seat. You can see it's just worn here. I don't know about yours, D, but Mind the cords wore just a little bit here and just a few little scrapes along here.
Yeah, this one overall is in pretty good shape. Yeah, you can just
overall,
tell its
I wouldn't
age.
change it. All right, let's move on to see what works and what don't, shall we? Steering wheel's in good shape.
Another big plus with the white interior is it's been sitting out in the sun on a hot day. Get in, not hot at all.
It's cool, isn't it? All right, so horn works. Wipers work.
Hey, Mr. Coleman. Hey, Ms. Cruz.
That's crazy.
Original radio works. Heater fan works. Temperature gauge works because I had it running and idling for quite a while. It's over on the hot now because it's been shut off.
Yep.
Okay. So
then
as
as
we
soon as
start
you
it up,
start it,
it'll
it'll
come
go
right
down.
back down. Yep. Gas gauge works. We filled that up when it came in. Turn signal indicators work. Both sides. High beam indicator turns red on there. Yep. Cool.
Nice.
We haven't checked dome lights.
Glove
work.
box light even works.
Yeah, so do the glove box, so do the dome lights under the dash. It's just a nice quality car.
Yeah, it is.
Look at the U-joints as we, went into gear. It's nice and quiet. We did do a power valve, I think, in the carburetor. Did a little bit of work there. Did brake work, just like always. Pulled all the wheels, drums. A lot of times we find leaky wheel cylinders. If they sit for a while, or even if they don't, they just over time they leak. Speedometer works as well. Listen to that tranny, just such a nice, easy shift. As far as the brakes go, nice full pedal, master cylinder, wheel cylinders are new. Drum brakes all the way around. We'll wait here a minute.
Like you said, once you start it, temp gauge comes down.
Yeah,
Runs cool.
that even works. So your cigarette lighter works, so all that stuff will work in there too. Just clean, man. It's just well taken care of.
Yeah. I'm impressed with it. It turned out really nice.
And like I said, a lot of these, pop out again. A lot of these cars come in, they just need so much damn work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They've been sitting for a while, people just lose interest, and that's kind of what we do here, is just go through them from start to finish. Here's another thing. Remember, you always got to start in the green dot. I forgot about that.
On a Mustang. Yep, because then if you start in the green dot, it'll shift all the way through. But
Yep. Starts in that way. I'll start in first.
Yep.
Just like that. There's your shift to second, 40 mile an hour. Shift to third at 55. Not a powerhouse, but they don't need to be. You know?
Yeah, kick down works.
Look how it drives, man.
That's awesome.
What a great car.
It's definitely a 95,000 rhythm mile car.
Like you said, here's your brakes. The guys did an amazing job with them.
Yeah. Good Mustang.
How about, it's so quiet as you come in here. Merlin turning in here too, but as you come in here, it's just, even like you said, without that power steering, those original steering wheels turn easy. I wouldn't worry about no disc brakes. They stop nice.
Yeah.
And people drove them like this forever.
Yeah.
Every day, winter, snow, ice.
Exactly.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, the little pony's waking up.
That's awesome.
Goes down the road really nice.
She's a good one.
I mean, that's 75. It's super quiet.
What more do you need?
Ryan's not going to be able to catch us with the drone on this little beauty.
No, you can't. It's too fast. All right, check this one out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.